Captain Michael Dawson here, Patriot Guide Service, here at the beautiful Tarpon Fishing Outfitters, talking about Pompano fishing. The Pompano bite is going off at Antelope Pier right now, so there's a great chance to go get some of these tasty fish for dinner. A couple of key techniques for getting these Pompano. A nice light rod, this Vanford on this Bull Bay Sniper is a great combo. I have a very fast action tip, it is a very key for these Pompano. They have a very rubbery mouth, hard to get a hook set, and to get this jig action right, you need that fast action rod. Once you get this spooled up, 10-15 pound braid is all you're going to need. Going to top it off with a nice piece of 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. I use the Seaguar inshore here, and tie it off with one of these goofy jigs. You're going to use the Big Bobs or the Doc's Goofy jigs. Both are great jigs. Tie a loop knot, add a little teaser on there for a secondary hook on there. Works great for these Pompano. You might want to tip it with a little piece of shrimp, get a little more enticing. You can catch jacks, ladyfish, Pompano, permit, anything you name it on these jigs right now. And the Pompano bite's going off, so come in, get your tackle, and go down there and have some great time fishing. This bite should go on all the way out throughout the winter. The colder it gets, the better. So get out there, have a great time, and be safe. Captain Michael Dawson, Patriot Guide Service.